Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting spring outdoor home improvement projects that will not only beautify your space but also give it the love and care it deserves. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and transform your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Let's start with our first project, creating a charming garden border. It's a simple yet effective way to define your garden space. All you'll need are some bricks or stones, a shovel, and a little creativity. First, grab your shovel and outline where you want your garden border. Dig a trench about 4 inches deep. This is where your stones will sit. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nature loves a little imperfection. Next, start placing your stones or bricks in the trench. You can mix and match sizes for a more rustic look. As you do this, think about how satisfying it'll feel to see your garden come together. And guess what? Completing this project is a great reason to show off your work. Don't forget to share your before and after photos with us. Now, onto our second project, planting a colorful flower bed. Spring is the perfect time to add some vibrancy to your backyard. Choose a mix of perennial and annual flowers for year-round beauty. When choosing flowers, consider colors that complement your home. Don't hesitate to ask a nursery expert for advice. They love sharing their knowledge. Remember, planting flowers is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a welcoming space for pollinators, too. Dig holes about twice the size of your flower's root ball. Place them in the ground and gently pack the soil around them. Water them thoroughly and watch them thrive. It's a rewarding experience that keeps giving back throughout the season. Feeling inspired yet? These projects are just the beginning. Let's not forget about maintenance. Regularly checking your outdoor spaces is key. Spend just a few minutes each week weeding, pruning, and cleaning up. Trust me, your future self will thank you. As you tackle these projects, remember to take breaks and enjoy the process. Spring is all about renewal and growth, much like what you're doing for your home. Don't forget to document your journey. We'd love to see your transformation. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more inspiring DIY content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What projects are you excited to tackle this spring? Together, let's make our homes reflect the beauty of the season.